everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new to my channel. Yes, my name is Philine and today we're going to do unboxing. Yes, my favorite thing to do is to unbox in front of you, and it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes, it's an art. So without further ado, ta-da! I already, there you go. And ta-da! As you can see, I bought a used bag, and this is a Tory board used bag from Michael Seller. Look at that. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, or I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but look at this. Okay, so you know, I always find nice things, but if you want these guys, I can sell this as well, but I'm thinking about it also, but I don't know if I'm gonna clean it or what. I'm just testing the water. I bought it in my Mercari. I have some sellers that are super nice that have this bag that she didn't list, and then we were talking that I like some used bag. Why not? So the next one is ta-da! So this is so small. Okay, so I'm just excited what it is, because ta-da! How cute is this? Yes, this is Michael Kors. They call it Slater backpack, and it's also convertible into a shoulder bag. And this one is detachable, and this is originally $278, and I got this for a good deal, and I'm gonna sell this to you for a good deal. Why not? And of course, let me see, and I'm having a hard time opening it because it's so small. So there is the inside. It's just really small. It's only for like cute thing. This is like for a shoe off, some sort of this is really hard to close, and I don't even understand. So this one have this style, like with a chain and like braided chain and leather. It's very, so this is a convertible backpack. I am just so surprised how small it is. Yes, this is the highlight of this unboxing, because it's my first time to buy a Michael Kors backpack. Yes, and so what do you think? But this one is a little bit harder to open, but I think because it's been smooshed in here, and it should be I have to put filler in it to be able to have this back in shape. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and if you have the desire to get this, click my click my Mercari down below and don't be shy to make an offer. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, everyone.